Hello friends, today I am going to discuss with you about the energy cycle in a thermal power plant. And those who are working in a thermal power plant only should have a little bit of knowledge about this. So let's start the topic. Uh, Here I have drawn some component of thermal power plant. So this one is your fuel, this is your steam generator or boiler, this is your steam turbine, and this one is your generator. So let's start from beginning. As we all know that chemical energy is available in fuel, so we are using fuel inside boiler to get heat energy during combustion process or oxidation process. So from fuel to boiler, here your energy conversion is chemical energy to heat energy. After getting heat energy, we utilize all this heat energy inside boiler to generate steam from water. So after utilize all heat energy, final output is steam. So and steam has kinetic energy. So inside boiler, your energy conversion is heat energy to kinetic energy. After getting steam or kinetic energy, we have steam turbine. And steam turbine, as you know that steam turbine is a prime mover, we need some force to rotate it. So utilize kinetic energy available in steam into steam turbine to get mechanical energy. So from steam to steam turbine, our energy conversion is kinetic energy to mechanical energy. After kinetic energy or steam utilized in steam turbine, we are getting mechanical energy. And seen here, steam turbine is directly connected to a generator. So after getting kinetic energy from steam, steam turbine is rotating, and after rotating steam turbine, generator will also rotate and electrical energy generate. So from steam turbine to generator, our energy conversion is mechanical energy to electrical energy. So here we have seen that from fuel to boiler, our energy conversion is chemical energy to heat energy. Inside boiler, our energy conversion is heat energy to kinetic energy. And after boiler output, we are getting steam, and in steam kinetic energy available. So we utilize all this steam into steam turbine. So here is our energy cycle is kinetic energy to mechanical energy. After turbine rotating or getting force from kinetic energy, turbine got mechanical energy and turbine rotates. So when turbine rotates, generator will also rotate and we got electrical energy. So from turbine to generator, our energy conversion is mechanical energy to electrical energy. आई होप आप लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। पसंद आया होगा तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए। ओके, थैंक यू।